Class, today's new topic is division of decimals. So you all know how to divide the numbers. So I just give you the example of this question now. 1020.48 divide by 16. Now class, it's your normal division. Just start how we divide this decimal number now. This is your decimal here. So 102 is here. So 16 6 96. So there is a 6 is remainder. Now this 0 is coming here. So 16 3 48 12. Now class, it's very important now for decimals. Now this is your decimal. Now class, when you put this 4 here, because this 12 is not divisible by 16, so we have to put one number here, one digit here, that is 4. When we put the number after decimals, which is in after decimal, then there is a place for decimals. When we use the number after decimals here, then you can put the decimal here, 124. So 16 7 112, 12 is remainder. Now 8 is here, 16 8 128. So what is the meaning of that? When you use the number which is after decimal, then you can put decimal here. Okay, now one more question which is very important. 8.304 divide by 5.19. It's very important. 8.304, the meaning is 5.19. It's very important class, how to solve these questions. Now you can see here after decimal how many digits are here. 1 2 3 digit. And here after decimals how many digits? 2 digit. So you can see here 2 digits are here and here 3 digits. So if any one of them, either its numerator or denominator, contain the more digits, like it contain after decimal 3 digit, so it is multiplied with 1000. Because it contains 3 digit, so you should multiply this by 3 zeros, which contain 3 0, that is your 1000. And if you multiply your numerator with 1000, so divide this also by 1000, because 1000 upon 1000 equal to 1. So there is no change in the value. But important part is which contain more digit after decimals. It means either it's in numerator or denominator. I just give you the example. Suppose your question is 1.2 upon 2.565. In this time, in denominator there are 3 digits after decimal, so you multiply your denominator by 1000 also, then you automatically multiply your numerator also by 1000. So hope you understand. This is your example. So now what will happen here? 8 point, this is your example. So now what happened here? 8.304 into 1000. What is the meaning of that? 8304. Write the number like this and put 1 2 3 zeros. Understand? Again here 519 and 1 2 3 zeros are here. Listen, for multiplying the decimals, whenever you multiply by 100, 1000 or 10, write number as it is, 8304, 519, and after that add the zeros which you multiplied here. Understand? Now you can put the decimals. So here after 3 digit decimals are here, 1 2 3. Here also after 2 digit there is a decimal, so 1 2. So what is your answer now? 8304 upon 5190. Understand? Now you can divide this. It's very easy for you now. Your question is now 5190 division of 8304. Now class, there is a new type of dividation is here. Suppose I just divide like this, 1.465 upon 2.34. Now understand how to solve this. Actually the meaning is 1.465 dividation 2.34. So how we solve these decimals? So the meaning of this dividation means this upon this. So understand first thing, after decimal, which contain more digit after decimals, numerator or denominator? Understand that. In this time it's your numerator. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3 after decimal. So write 3 zeros and put 1 before 3 zeros. So you multiply this by 1000, and if you multiply this by 1000, then automatically multiply the denominator also by 1000, because 1000 upon 1000 means 1. No change in value, no change in this value. Understand? But there is a change in the value which will come now. So class, 1.465 into 1000 means 1465000. This is a rule for multiplication. Whenever you multiply any number by 1000, 10 or 100, write number like this without decimal and put zeros first. After that you can count the digits 1, 2, 3, and in the lower side 234000. Again in denominator there are only 2 digits after decimal, so 1, 2. So what is the meaning of that? 1465 upon 2340. Now you can divide this. You can use your decimals. You know how to solve this. 2340 and 1465. Now you can divide and get the answer 1465. So it is your normal dividation now. There is no decimals yet. So after that, solving this question, you can get the answer. So class, I want to take the example of question number 9, ninth part. Divide 0.01 by 0.8. What is the meaning of that? 0.01 upon 0.8. Now understand, which contain more digit after decimal? This one. How many digits are here? 2. So 2 zeros. We multiply this by 100 because 100 contain 2 zeros. And if we multiply our this numerator by 100, then also multiply denominator by 100. So your answer is 0100 upon 0800. Now you can see 2 digits are here after decimal, so 1, 2. This is your answer. This is your decimal after 1 digit, so after 1 digit you put the decimal here. So what is your answer? Answer is 01 upon 080. What is the meaning of that? 1 upon 80.